BoysClub, a project that we called at a market cap of 500k. At the all-time high, BoysClub reached an all-time high market cap of 14 million. And this kind of gains is what everybody's looking for, right? But the price declined and I thought, hey, what are the team doing? So I spoke with the team and the founder, and he seems like still active. And I'm still holding my tokens. Why? Because I believe in projects that are building during the darker times. And one of these projects that are building during the darker times is BoysClub. Of course, the whole market is shifted. It's like everybody is in panic right now because Bitcoin had a huge dip. But during these times gives also opportunities. And of course, during this run, I took some profits, but I have still my main bag of BoysClub for long term because the founder is building strong. I saw this tweet and I thought I need to make a video about BoysClub and talk about what is going on with the project. Can we maybe highlight the most important things to tell to the investors of the project? And yeah, I thought, hey, let's do it. So BoysClub mission is to create safer space in the crypto. They have 3k members in the coolest safer space. Okay, we know it. Always trending on DEX tools with on base. That's something very nice that the guys are doing. The doxed dev, so the founder is doxed. This is also something great. Listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. Daily engagement and airdrop. So if you're an airdrop hunter, definitely join their community. They are organizing several kind of stuff. Over 500,000 holders on the base chain. They are listed already on DEX Trade and La Token. In partnership with Flus to buy BoysClub on Google and Apple Pay. They have also poker tournaments and 250k burn competitions with giveaways, custom art. And I have to say, guys, the guys have some wonderful art. And there is something big ongoing. I don't know what, but the founder told me about that he is building something big behind the scenes. And he said, June, listen, I have something that I'm building on right now for the community of BoysClub. I cannot tell you exactly what it is, but it will come very soon. So yeah, like there is something ongoing. I don't know what, but if I believe the founder, and I spoke with him often, he knows what he is doing and he has some nice juice for the community. So what else, guys? Let's check out holder airdrop. We sending BoysClub tokens 2.5k to the holders. Amazing. Stay tuned for more exciting airdrops. So they send out a lot of airdrops to other projects like the whale holders. Here also token airdrop to the mock coin ETH. And this is very nice of them because they get more attention from, yeah, like the new holders of the project. And if they like the project, you are into meme coin space, right? Then you also maybe love the BoysClub. So that is very smart of them. What else can we find? Another airdrop. They're giving away so much tokens, and it is nice to see that they're doing it also to one of the projects I believe long term in, Landwolf. What else do we see? 2024, a lot of custom art. So the guys have somebody on board who draw everything custom. Here we can see sitting on the bank with Andy, Brad, Peppe and Landwolf. And how this is called, it's the BoysClub, guys. So for now, it's a lot of airdrops and they're really building a strong community. But do I believe still in BoysClub? Yes, I do, guys. And I remember those videos from 2 months ago. 2 months ago, it was 500,000 market cap. It was amazing. We had a nice buy opportunity. So if you want to stay up to date about this kind of calls and gems, of course, inside the description of this video, there is a link to join my community. The first 50 people who are joining this community are completely free. We talk about crypto every day. We highlight the news and of course finding new gems. So if you want to join my community, inside the link, first 50 people have a free entrance. Guys, about the chart of BoysClub, what do we see? Of course, we saw a huge up run. After that, we saw a pullback, but the whole market tanked. And of course, there's still activity. Like we saw here, people buying in. But after that, when Bitcoin was going more downwards, we saw that, like, yeah, of course, it's very natural, but we're still building here. We're setting a nice floor at the same area here. I think the community is buying the floor up, and now the price is already up another 35%. So yeah, I am buying more myself here also. Of course, not my whole investment. Why? Because meme coins can be very volatile, but I think it's very nice to be part of the BoysClub community. Guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it and that you're now up to date about the BoysClub project. And let's see what the founder has in-house for his big update. I will talk about it when it is live. See you soon. Bye bye.